Welcome to Science of Computers with 5 bits. 1. E-bits. To start, electricity flows. In a billionth of a second, electricity flows this far. Computers work with tiny bits of electricity. Let's call them E-bits. We write this as ones and zeros. Data is turned into electricity patterns of on or off E-bits. There are 2 types of E-bits: data and directions. Like a traffic cop, directions called software do things with the data. For example, we type letters that turn into E-bits. That chips turn into text, so we can send emails made from E-bits. Also, pictures are just millions of points called pixels. Picture points are defined by millions of on or off E-bits. Videos have billions of E-bits per minute. E-bits in chips with math turn into text, videos, and music. The E-bit heartbeat is a special E-pulse clock. Every second, it sends billions of electricity pulse E-bits to chips. Gigahertz means billions of E-bits per second. That's a lot! E-bits work great in chips, but E-bits are hard to store. 2. M-bits. Next, we need very tiny magnets. Each magnet has 2 sides, north and south. In these drives, E-bits change into magnet or M-bits. The right head burps very tiny magnets that store on the disk. Each north magnet is a 1 or on. The science is that when electricity flows in a coil of wire, it makes a magnet. The opposite is true too. The read heads turns M-bits back into E-bits that go to the chip. Think about how fast all this happens. Billions of E-bits are stored as M-bits every second. Then, billions of M-bits change back into E-bits. This cycle is the lifeblood of basic science and how my computer works. E-bits and M-bits are fine inside a computer, but how do I see all this? 3. L-bits. Light is one type of EM wave, made of electricity and magnetic parts. Light is 4 to 700 billionth of a meter long. The screen works when chips send E-bits to the screen. The E-bits make red, green, and blue bits of light, or L-bits glow.
All the L-bits make pictures we see.
Millions of these points are refreshed over 60 times per second to make the screen we see. As a side note, light makes electricity in solar panels. Now, we want to connect with other people. 4. R-bits. To connect, computers need another EM wave. Radio waves are longer than light waves. That is, they are a different EM wavelength. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi work with radio waves. E-bits change into radio wave or R-bits that fly through space and connect us. 5. K-bits. The other bits we talked about are data. We use data to do things. We create useful bits of knowledge called K-bits. All data has to exist somewhere, like data centers. Worldwide, it is estimated that the data stored by billions of internet using people is 1 trillion gigabytes, called a zettabyte. Image sharing all these bits of knowledge. Share K-bits add up to real human intelligence. As we face the future with robots and AI, To close, EBITs change M-bits stored on disk drives. E-bits also cause the RGB pixels to glow. L-bits join to make on-screen pictures. R-bits help us connect with worldwide computers. What I do daily with my K-bits, like dot art, paints the overall picture of my life, one shared K-bit at a time.